Okay team, now we are installing the Maven. In the previous video we have installed the Java version 21. Now we are installing the Maven, so we can set up the entire things for Spring Boot. So let's open the browser, write Maven download for Windows. So just there is a officially site https://mavenapache.org. First things, just click on this one. You will see Apache Maven project. And okay, so you can see the download. So download Apache Maven 3.9.9 bin and bin.tar. So you just click on the bin file. Second one, this one is this bin. So I'm clicking this one. So if you will see, then I'm downloading. Okay, so I'm clicking over here. I'm downloading this. So you just see and see the download folder. Whenever you will download, then it would be able to open on the download folder. I'm opening the download folder. In the download folder, you can see this is the Maven is already downloaded. Okay, so just copy over here and extract. First of all, extract all on this, and it will be extract, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Actually it is depends upon the system speed. Whenever you will extract, then you will see this is a folder. Inside this you can see this folder. Just click and Control C and paste into the C drive. Go to the C drive and go to the program file. That is the better way, and just paste over here for the better purpose, because you cannot be delete into the program file. Otherwise we have something change or in other drive, that might be the issue. Just rename this and just click is the rename just over there, and I'm not sure if we can rename or not. Okay, rename this file and just enter the Maven, only the Maven. Okay, so if I'm seeing the Maven, go over here and bin. Copy this path, set into the environment variable. Go over here into the system, right click and just go to the property, write the environment variable. So environment variable, you will see there are the two options. One is the edit in system environment variable. Second is the system edit environment variables for the user account. So it will work for the only users. It will work for the all users. How many users in your system? So I am setting the system environment variable. So it will work for the all users. Go to there, and this is the user variable, and this is the system variable. So might be you can set to user variable system. Let me set the user variable, no problem. I'm setting the user variable. So just go to the path and enter a path till bin over here inside the path. So I'm entering this one and click on the OK. Create a new variable. That variable name is the Maven underscore home. Home, and write the path of this one. Before bin should be removed. So before bin you can write this path. Just click on the OK, and check. Just open the CMD and check the Maven MVN is a command, and hyphen version for checking the MVN version. MVN, sorry, this is my bad. Command is MVN, not MNV. Hyphen version. And let's check. This is the 3.99. Apache Maven 3.99 is a version. Program file of home is this, and Java is 21. Okay, so we have installed successfully Maven on the Windows system. Thank you so much. Now Maven has been installed successfully on your Windows machine. Have a good day. Bye bye.